ohGr screw up, first verse screw up, which Bill, I was trying to correct me right before we started. I totally fucked it up, facing the music, my ass. Alright, so you do one more?
Yes, please.
One more. Any other requests?
Calm down.
What?
Calm down.
Calm down or minus? Who wants calm down? Two. Who wants minus?
Yeah.
All right, minus it is.
Glad I got it.
So I don't fuck this up. The problem I have literally on this tour is that I've been like, I'll do something fucked up on this thing, you know? And I'll go, that was really cool. And the next song will start, I'll be like, oh my god, what's the first line? What's the first line?
It's like that Henry Rollins thing.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Yeah, explain what was going on there.
When we change just the levels and shit,
Okay.
so like I'm just not getting enough backing.
Dude, this is a real soundcheck.
Right now, he's fucking everything.
I'm fucking everything on there.
Just like,
Hey Jeff, what's the first line to 101? First line to 101?
Justin, so far,
perfect.
difference is beautiful.
Is your camera on?
Making my toes curl.
So we're shooting a video. Kind of Bill obviously is a filmmaker as well as ice road trucker. He worked on the Ice Pilots up north. I don't know if you guys have seen that show. And he's worked with the game wardens in Northern California that fight poachers and illegal growers that are destroying the environment. And he's obviously done shitloads of work for us with Killing Game, Last Rites, Protest. And when we first met, I guess was on the Two Dark Park films, right?
Yeah.
Was when we first worked together. Bill taught me a lot offline editing. Just you know, he does all the magic, but I learned to cut from him. And a great friend of mine. But he's making a video, a film of this tour. Using some interesting things, and we each have to wear a camera for a day on our chest wherever we go. So Squig is the target today. And yesterday we got Justin peeing, so we got Tour P on it.
That's something to look forward to.
These strange colors of Tour P.
Now it goes to the camera's mounted for the whole day, including the show. So you'll see like what everybody's doing during the day, and then right up to the show and rehearsal and everything. So.
My day's Santa, so I'm gonna be.
Backward, bang!
much, you guys. Now, one more last thing. We like to do a giveaway within the house every day. I use 2 megaphones. And this is one of them. I'm going to draw all over it, and I'm going to pick out of the magic Riot helmet.
The magic Riot helmet.
Of a winner. And after the show, just go see Corey, and he'll have it there for you. I'm going to draw all over it, and it'll be there for you. So, the winner of today.
Drum roll.
Drum roll. And the winner is Amanda Carr.